She looked like she disappeared.
Oh, you're so feisty, Moo Moo. Oh, you're dangerous. You dangerous? It's okay. You're okay. Come on, relax. 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 It's really cold right there, honey. I know, you're so feisty.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a Shoto ramen. I got the Daddy Issues flavor. Let's open this up first. Oh, okay. Next we're going to pour some boiling hot water. Now we're going to wait a few minutes for him to hold a grudge, let it really seep in. Okay, let's open this thing back up. All right, now you can enjoy the edgy.
Ready? Ready? Boom. All right, and then.
Every time the beat drop.
Oh, hi. Good morning, baby. Are you waiting for breakfast?
Good girl. Wanna go potty? Come on, let's go potty.
Legend. Look at this. Legend.
What the fuck? I can do that shit. Watch this. Oh, fuck yeah.
Thank you.
I just saved this little guy out of my dumpster at work, and he's like, he will not let go of the inside of this Chick-fil-A cup. He's like, kitten, it's okay, baby. It's okay. Hey, baby, it's okay. Come on. He thinks if he can't see me, I can't see him. Baby. Kitty, looky there. Look. What kind of juice do you have? Oh. Mimi's. Oh, hi. What kind of juice do you have? Ah! Okay, apple.
I got bitches off the Zans. Bitch, I got
Eating yellow snow prank. Hey man, look, I'm gonna eat this yellow snow.